Doktor Kapatisi TV.
Khasi Student Union Shillong Mingi Circle, Hapua Kajingalam Jongka Farmers and Consumers Protection Cell CEC, Hakan Rotruk Urusau Arajar Apusan. Kalit Khang ikuwe ke Dukan di Dawai, ke Bekerteng Anshu Medical, ke Bedai Jong Ubar Jela, Uanup de, ke Badan Polo. Kajinik Khang ikini ke Dukan, kini namar kajing bamdan Laisen Jong kuwe ke Doktor BAMS Ayurvedic, ke Baai Dawai hakati ke Dukan Dawai, kepada ke kena apule na neya hak bakam bat shim ladan ke Laisen mensumar beriu hendai tangling ba ke provisional bat ki internship badang dep tang shiteng pot klatre bat ai dawai hak ke pharmacy mentalai benai tam kenti ka kerwa kubwa na ke isu kalau ong ba jingle chong ke doktor kolong ke babian bat ke bu jingma ke koi ka khya chong ki pat ba ke buan shim dawai na ke dukan ka ke isu kalau hangai ke dukan di dawai ke ba Khlem pet benya ke kot ki sta chong ke doktor.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first, and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.
Pin real squat, ya kak tien la jong pin dam kam, ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi, kak tien la jong, ai kan roy kan pa. Balai pi ong gate, habangi don la ka jong kak tien khasi, kerdok lani palor. Beli lani khang, ya katuka palor ni juya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hindrangi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da Kapatisi TV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.